Hello everybody, I'm Zach and I'm here to tell you about Cat Reman injectors, which are designed to save you time and money. But maybe you've heard a myth or two about these parts. So let's go to our Cat Reman expert to clear things up. Take it away, Bo.
Thanks, Zach. If you're considering Cat Reman injectors based on price, but you're worried they won't meet your engine's quality standards, then this video's for you. Cat Reman injectors are remanufactured to perform like new for a fraction of new price when you return your core, and they come with a same-as-new Caterpillar limited warranty. Inside Cat Reman injectors, the critical components are either new, like the control valve, or remanufactured like the tappet surface. This is so they can withstand the high pressures and meet the tight performance requirements of today's engines. Just like new parts, Cat Reman injectors incorporate the latest engineering updates. As a result, they're designed to offer like-new horsepower, fuel efficiency, and fuel economy. They're also end-of-the-line tested to match the leakage and performance specifications of brand-new injectors, giving you like-new performance. That means your engine will perform like new, no matter what Cat Reman and new Cat injector combination you use. The power and torque will be like new, and it will meet strict emissions and performance standards. With coated plungers and control valves matched to precise micron-level tolerances, reground seats, honed bores, and 100% new seals, Cat Reman injectors are carefully remanufactured to prevent decreased injector performance, premature wear, and reduced engine and injector life. And since our remanufacturing process uses less raw materials than the manufacture of new parts, Cat Reman products can bring sustainability benefits to your operation. Back to you, Zach.
Thanks, Bo. Want to learn more about the quality and performance of Cat Reman parts? Talk to the experts at your local authorized Cat dealer and visit cat.com/Reman. We'll see you next time.